Look. Welcome back, man. Thanks for watching, man. It's Mr. 300, man. Hope you guys having a great day. Great day. Shit, we back, man. We about to get right into it, man. Shit, be sure to subscribe down below. Be sure to comment down below. But I was just realizing, before we get into it, man, let me say, man, I realized that I got a short-term memory. Like, my memory is so short-term, man. I wake up every day feeling like I ain't did shit. I don't care if I was great yesterday. I don't feel like if I was a bum last week. I didn't do anything last month. I did the most monumental stuff 3 days ago. I don't remember it, man. I wake up every day, every single day, man. I wake up feeling like I ain't did shit until I do shit. So we about to get right into it, man. I hope you guys have I was thinking, like, is that the way you're supposed to feel? Comment down below, man, if you feel the same way. I honestly don't know, man, but my memory is so short term, man. I can't remember like the previous stuff, man. I don't know if it don't affect me. I don't know if I hide it and just push it to the side. I don't know what it is, man, but every day I wake up feeling like I haven't done anything until I do something. So hope you guys having a great day, man. We about to get into it, man. First thing I'm gonna do is go wash the car, man. I definitely gotta go wash the car. As you guys can see, the car is all dirty. Hold on, let me zoom in real quick so you guys can see that. If you guys can, I don't know, man. This camera, you guys can see it, man. Hood all dirty, so we're gonna definitely get that situated. I do my little, I'm gonna just get into it, man. I'm gonna show you guys, man. But anyway, man, comment down below. Be sure to subscribe. Have a great day. If you ain't did shit today, get up and go do it. We about to get into it. We about to go wash the car, and I'll turn it back on once we start. Peace out. Yeah, as you guys can see, man, the car all dirty. I don't know if you can tell, man, because the car is like gray and silver or whatever it is. Is it gray or silver? I don't know, man. Let me know. But hold on, let me try to get that right angle. Some videography, man. You guys see it? It's like real dirty. It's like water spots. It's like, yeah, you guys can see that. Yeah, man, so I'm gonna wash it up real quick, man. I'm gonna try to hold the camera in one hand, man, so you guys can really see it, you know, see what I do, man. Honestly, man, I don't touch the car with the brush. Never use that shit, man. Never use this. Never ever use this. This is the worst thing ever, man. Never use this shit when you wash your car. If you wash your car in one of these little self-wash places, man, because people drop that shit on the ground. People drop it and have dirty cars and they just put it right on there. It's not like people rinse that off, so all the dirt stays on there. People drop it, you know what I mean? Like, that shit happened, and then they get all the rocks and chips and all that stuff. People put it right back on here, and then the first thing you do is wipe it on your car. You don't get a whole bunch of scratches, man, so never use that shit. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I do, man. I'm gonna speed it up so you guys don't gotta sit through the whole thing, but never use that, man. If that's one thing that I can tell you guys, one advice, I wash all my cars this way, man, because I don't like doing it at the house. It's just, I don't know, man, it's more of a hassle, you know, and I'm trying to save water. Hopefully this like recycles water or whatever, but never use that foam shit. Never use it. But anyway, man, we're gonna start right now. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, I turned off the camera because it was getting kind of wet. I didn't want the camera to get wet. I just bought it, spent a whole bunch of money on it. I didn't want to ruin it, but anyway, it's dry now, where it's wet now. We about to dry it. Hopefully you guys can see the finished product. Man, this thing keep going in front of the camera. But anyway, man, we about to get right into it, dry it up. I'll show you guys at the end. All right, peace. Yo, what is it when you've been drinking and you're not really hungover, but like, you know, you've been drinking the night before and it's like, you don't feel like getting up? Man, shout out to my podcast, man. Shout out to Randy, man. We got a podcast, We'll Take a Podcast we do every single week. Link will be in the description, man. We just talk about a whole bunch of different stuff, but yeah, go watch that, man. Go listen, man. You guys gonna laugh. You know, the way I talk here, I talk the same way, probably a little bit more reckless, because I do be inebriated and under, you know, under the influence, you know. But anyway, man, like, what is it when you like, you're not really hungover, but it's like you've been drinking and it's like you just don't feel like doing anything? That's what I feel like right now. But anyway, man, this is the finished product. Finished product, man. This is, it's not car show clean or anything like that, man, but it's like, you know what I mean? It's like, you know, Saturday, Friday night, you know, just get by, date cool, you know. But the one thing is, the next thing I gotta do real quick, I'm gonna run to Walmart, is look at those wheels. They look like trash, man. They look like big trash. Big trash. Look at the ashy tire. Look at the ashy tire, bro. I gotta go fix that right now. So I'm gonna head to Walmart, get some stuff to clean up the wheels, the tires. I got some wheel stuff in here. Actually, hold on, I'm gonna show you guys real quick what I use. Hold up real quick. I use this for the wheels. Hold on, I can't see if you guys can see it. I use this for the wheels, but I don't have anything for the tires. Tires look ashy, so I gotta get some tire stuff to like get the little shine on. So I'm gonna hit up Walmart right now, so you guys gonna see it, man. I know it, I don't know, man, you gotta see it. We're gonna keep it going. You guys can see it better in the light. Them tires look ashy, man, it's embarrassing. Super embarrassing, so we're gonna fix that, man. We at Walmart, as you guys can see. I really don't vlog, like back in the day, man, I wouldn't vlog like walking the stores or whatever, but now I just don't care. I just don't care. People gonna have to see it. They gonna have to understand the vision. You don't understand the vision, just get out the way. But don't judge me. Which one should I get? Which one should I get? Do I want to go super cheap?
How you doing, brother? I'll take care of you. I got you.
Or I want the tire wet, expensive joint, phone. Which one should I get? Which one you guys get, man?
This one does. This one's down. Okay, maybe.
I think they're both down.
I don't know.
Yeah, not really. I probably some of this.
Tire wet black.
It's 110.
Clean tires, high shine, fast drying.
110.
Tire foam.
Yeah, this one looks like it's down one.
They just tires. Just tires.
Wait, can you get an override for me on register 9?
More and more.
Oh yeah, all that time. They just tires. They just tires. I'm not gonna ball out on tires. If you guys do though, you guys probably like in a different bracket than I'm in, but it's all good. I don't give a fuck. Always get your water. Always get water. Always get some water. I don't care if you go into the store, if you ain't planning to get water, always get water, man. I can't go to the store without getting at least 3 or 4 bottles of water because you always need it. You never have too much. Peace. All right, so let me show you the wheels real quick. Let me show you the wheels real, dog. Let me show you the wheels real quick. All right, let's get it. It's not the greatest, but they look a little bit more, you know, wet. They got some lotion on them. You know, they got a little bit more lotion on them than usual. So hope this is good, man. This is gonna be good for right now. Like I said, man, just a Saturday clean, nothing special, nothing great. Anyway, man, we about to run to the store. We at Albertsons right now. Hope you guys can see it. Anyway, man, Mr. 300, man, love you guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe down below, man. Love you guys. Peace out.